Tired of watching 20-minute videos just to get 2 minutes of value? You click on a tutorial or a lecture, you think it will be quick, and then an hour later you are still watching. And you still have to rewind and manually type notes? It is a huge time drain. But what if you could instantly summarize any YouTube video with AI right inside your Chrome browser? That is exactly what we are going to do today. So here's the plan. I am going to walk you through the exact steps. First, we open Chrome.
Then we find our video. We click a simple button, and with one command, the AI does the work for us. Let us get started. All right, the very first thing we need is Google Chrome open on your computer. If you are using a different browser like Safari or Edge, that is fine for regular browsing. But for this specific trick, you need Chrome. It is free, and most people already have it. So go ahead and launch that now. Now that Chrome is open, let us navigate to YouTube and pull up the video you want to summarize. It does not matter if it is a long lecture, a product review, or a conference talk. Just find that video and open it like you normally would. You will see the standard player, the title, and all the usual buttons below it. And here is the really cool part. Right below the video, you should see a little icon that looks like a star with the word Ask next to it. Go ahead and click that star icon. Now, this only works if you have the right extension installed. The extension is called Ask or similar, and it is a validated tool that brings AI directly into your browser. So if you do not see that star yet, you will need to grab the extension from the Chrome Web Store first. But once it is installed, clicking that star is the key that opens the door. A window will pop up on the right side of your screen. It looks like a chat panel or a sidebar. This is the AI assistant waking up. It is now connected to the video you are watching, so it understands the audio, the captions, the whole thing. You do not need to click away or open a new tab. Everything happens right here. So now, in that pop-up window, type exactly this: summarize video. Then hit enter on your keyboard. That is the magic command. You're telling the AI to look at the entire video and pull out the most important points for you. It is like having a personal assistant who just watched the whole thing, so you don't have to. Now, here is where you need a little patience. Depending on how long the video is, this can take a moment. It might be 30 seconds, it might be a few minutes. The AI is processing the audio, understanding context, and organizing the summary. So do not click away or close the window. Just let it work. You will see it thinking, maybe with a loading indicator. Just wait for it to finish. And then, finally, you get your summary. It is concise, it is clean, and you have the key takeaways in seconds instead of hours. You can copy that text, paste it into your notes, or use it to decide if the full video is worth your time. That is the whole process, from a long video to a clear summary in just a few clicks. And the best part is the tool is right there in Chrome, tested and ready to go. Give it a try on your next long video. I think you will be surprised at how much time you save.